Hey folks, Bucksby here in my trusty tweed jacket. You know that feeling when rent hits and you think, this is robbery. Today, first episode of Bucksby Math, rent versus buy. Should you rent forever or buy that house? Let's crunch numbers. Meet Sarah, 28, 60K salary, New York suburb. Current rent, 1-800 month. Dream house, 350K. Down payment, 20% feasible. We calculate 5-year costs. First, rent math, dead simple. $1,800 times 12 months times 5 years equals $108,000. But wait, we forgot something. Rent rises 3% per year. Year 2, 1,854. By year 5, 2,080. Total cost, $120,492. And equity? Zero. Zilch. Your landlord's yacht fund. Ouch. Now, buying. 20% down, $70K. That's saving 2 years at $3K a month. Is it worth it? 30-year mortgage at 4.5% is $1,410. Add $800 for taxes and insurance. Total $2,210 a month. Over 5 years, you've paid $132,600. More than rent, right? But here's the secret sauce. Home value goes up 3% a year. That $350K house is now worth $415,000. Your equity. Down payment plus $25K principal plus $35K appreciation. That's $130,000. Net cost after selling. $132K paid minus $130K equity equals $2,600. Versus rent's $120K. You win. Graph time. Rent is a straight loss line. Buying? It dips, then rockets up with equity. Scenarios, rates to 7%, monthly jumps to $2,000, but it still beats rent long term. Sell in 2 years, you lose 10Ks in closing costs, rent wins short term, location matters. My rule, rent if staying under 3 years. Buy if it's 5 or more. Math doesn't lie. Download my free Google Sheet to run your own numbers. Link is in the description. Like if math clicked, sub for weekly deep dives. Bucksby out. Tips hat.